Hello, Teacher Willie here. This is Lesson 7, Natural Resources for Life. Hello, Carla. Are you getting better? We miss you today at school. I hope you recover soon. I want to tell you that in the visit to the Porto Alegre sawmill, we found out that this is one of the largest in Brazil, since it has more than 1,000 employees. After the sawmill, we went to the wood furniture factory. It was amazing. We had a great time. I never thought all the things that can be done with natural resources such as trees. And the most important is that it is for our daily life needs. We saw what the process of making the furniture is like, since when the trees are brought in as raw material until the transformation of this into a chair for the school. But what is surprising is the large amount of water used in sawmills. I share the photos I took, and if you want, I can help you with your homework. Take care of yourself and take your medications. See you soon, Milton. Let's begin. In the world, there are various natural resources that have allowed the satisfaction of human needs and development of economic activities. Let's learn more. Throughout their history, humans have used their knowledge of the natural environment and the tools available to extract and transform the elements of nature that serve us to satisfy our needs. Since ancient times, rocks and spears were used to hunt and obtain food, the hoe to, the, to till the land, and the axes to cut the wood from the trees and build houses to protect ourselves from the cold. When natural elements are used by human beings to meet specific needs, these are known as natural resources. These acquire importance according to the type of need they solve. For example, in very cold places, animal skins have great value because they are transformed into clothing. These transformed resources are known as raw materials and are used to manufacture more elaborate products. The cotton is combed, spun, and woven to make fabrics. The wheat is ground to obtain flour and produce bread. Activity 1. Select 3 objects from the room and in your notebook make a scheme like the one below. Write the names of the objects, then list the materials with which they are made and the natural resources that were used for its elaboration. You can also draw something similar. For example, here we have the representation of trees as natural resources, wood as raw material, and a chair as an object finished. Then you need to complete this chart with the natural resources, with the raw materials, and with finished products. I'll do the first one as an example. The wheat is the natural resource, like this one, that is used to obtain this raw material, which is the flour. A finished product can be a cake or a bread. Now, this is your activity. Finish this chart. Write down a natural resource and raw materials that you use to make book. What can be done with trees as raw materials and finished products? And where do the eggs come from? Obviously, cooked eggs.